is that the speciality of the delivery system which makes it totally different. That's the reason why it is as good as a patient or a person getting an intravenous injection. So it is comparable or equal efficacy when it comes over the other brands which are either tablets or capsules. This is the difference. And there is a lot of science also. Thiocell has undergone a very vigorous safety and efficacy clinical trials here in Philippines in leading institutions like St. Luke's Global as well as in RITM and Asian Hospital. So in fact, it was introduced almost close to around 7+ years to the dermatologists, and afterwards we moved the brand Thiocell to the OTC media. And it's now our pleasure to have Sunshine Cruz being our endorser for Thiocell. And I believe she has tried Thiocell on her own, and that is where the confidence is all coming out. Thank you very much for joining us today. Looking forward for your valuable support in the future events too. Salamat po.
Thank you, Sir Ramesh. To give a better idea on how Thiocell has changed the supplements industry, here's a brief introduction of the brand.
The evolution of glutathione supplements available in the market has changed through time.
We suffer from sun exposure a lot. Some of the most common skincare problems of Filipinos stem from overexposure to the sun. Them being skin darkening and photo-aging. That's why if you look at most beauty and wellness shops, they sell a lot of anti-aging and whitening products to combat the bad effects of the sun. Okay? But most of these products, they are either superficial or very minimal effect on your skin. It doesn't last that long. Main issue is the issue of absorption. Okay? But Thiocell has long overcome these obstacles because it is unique in its form as a lozenge. It gets absorbed faster, so the effects are almost the same as when you take IV glutathione. So it's a lot faster, you get whiter, you get smoother, and you get younger looking skin. Okay? When we thought of launching the #AgelessGlow campaign, we only thought of Miss Sunshine Cruz. Because as we well know, para siyang vampire, para siyang vampira. Look at her, diba? Parang I met her 10 years ago, and I would say na parang mas bumata pa siya ngayon than 10 years ago. Okay? You know I love you. Okay? So, without further ado, I'd like to show you a short clip which basically explains our campaign.
Family for the trust, and I'm really grateful. Rome, thank you. Maraming salamat. And maraming salamat sa inyo sa oras to be with us today. Good afternoon, everyone.
If you look at any vitamins or minerals, there would be what we call as daily minimum dosage. Whereas for gluta, it has not been, because it is not a vitamin or a mineral, it is just a food supplement. So there are instances where it all depends upon the scale of the skin type, what we have, whether we are skin type 4, skin type 5 or skin type 6. The more the higher is more the darker is the skin. It depends on how fast you want to achieve your lighter skin. You can go up to 4, but what we recommend is 1 lozenge a day, early in the morning, empty stomach is the best time to take. But you can take it even 4 times, there is no issue. But don't take 4 at once. That is the thing what we suggest and recommend.
Thank you, sir. Shai, prior to meeting Thiocell, I'm sure nag-take ka din ng ibang brand before, so I don't know. But ang question ko talaga is, how do you keep that youthful group of viewers through the years? Now, besides besides itong mga bagay na to, besides science, besides glutathione, ano pa yung sikretong pwede mong i-share sa amin? Bakit ka ganyan? Bakit ka ba bira?
Hindi naman masyado. No, but kidding aside, I love to sleep. Introvert kasi ako, so I'd rather stay at home with my kids, sleep, and I stay away from negativity and dramas. Hindi ako ng drama. So, positive lang. Positive ang outlook sa life. Always be grateful for what you have. And kung ano yung wala, you always just focus on what you have. And of course, aside from Thayocel, I work out 3 to 4 times a week. I used to box. Nagbo-boxing ako eh. Pero ngayon, iba naman. So, soon, in a few months, you'll see a version 2.0 na sunshine naman. So, I'm working on myself. Yun lang. So, self-love. Kailangan lang mahalin ang sarili. Yun ang sinasabi ko even before. If you expect a person or people to love you, you have to love yourself first. Diba? So, yun ang ginagawa ko ngayon. To stay healthy, fit, not just for myself, but for my family. Ayun. Nasabi ko na yung secret ko. Kaya naman ako na Cathy Valencia. I'm also an endorser of Cathy Valencia. So once in a while, I do facials. Actually, before Ultera, may ganun akong ginagawa once a year. Facials only. Pero very, very simple ang skincare ko. I remove my makeup. I don't sleep with makeup on. And just a moisturizer, eye cream. Of course, when you turn 40, actually 30 pa lang ako, nag-eye cream na ako. Kasi doon mo makikita talaga pag nag-age sa eyes. And what else? Drink lots of water. Water talaga. Lagi akong merong dalang water. And sleep. Sleep talaga kasi kahit anong skincare ang gawin natin, if you lack sleep, then makikita talaga sa skin natin.
Okay, another question of seeing you and your beautiful daughters. Parang po kayong magkakapatid. So, before, were you involved in their skincare routine? Like, nagbibigay ka po ba ng advice on how to take care of their skin before silang tumanda? Or they just figure it out all on their own?
Ginaya nila ako. Yeah, so, nakikita nila kasi kahit nung bata pa sila, how I take care of my skin, they would imitate me. So, pag meron silang mga blemishes, of course, I tell them to do something about it. Yun lang. Kasi syempre, puro kami kikay, puro babae talaga. And I think it's an advantage na ang mommy nila medyo kikay din. So, of course, as a mom, ayaw kong makita na ang mga anak mo medyo napapabayaan din ang skin. So, I tell them what to do. I take care of them.
Last question, if titignan po namin yung Kikay Kit ni Miss Sunshine ngayon, ano yung makikita namin? May lipstick ba dyan? May blush on? Ready to use na sunscreens?
Meron akong yung bag ko na doon sa kanya. Makikita ninyo, I have a makeup pouch. Of course, I have nandiyan din ang aking Thayocel kasi on the go talaga. Ang Thayocel, what's nice about it is anywhere, anytime, you can take it kasi nga it's in lozenge form. So, nasa bag ko rin yun. And I have my cologne and I have wet wipes. So, very simple. I think lahat ng babae, kung ano yung nasa bag ko, meron din yung iba.
Okay, so if it's okay to ask, sinusunod niyo po ba yung recommended time of intake ng Thayocel or do you follow your own schedule?
I take it every morning. Yeah,
Like as advice?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Miss Sunshine.
Every morning mag-take tayo Every morning
I just hope that we could go back and spread the word. For glutathione in the market, this is the only oral that works. All the rest, if they ingest it, only traces amount of glutathione. Only Thayocel gives you the maximum amount of glutathione that goes into your bloodstream, and it is not just a claim that we're saying. We have 2 scientific studies to prove it, and none of the other brands dared even to commission a study. Study is expensive, but it has proven that Thiocel really works. The first one was presented in the International Journal of Dermatology. It's a very reputable publication for dermatologists. And the next study was presented in the American Academy of Dermatology. So this is not just a claim that we're saying. So it really works. When we went to America to talk to the doctor, he said, you know, you Filipinos just like the whitening. But the most important advantage or the thing that glutathione can do is anti-aging. That's why now we're into the second phase of our promotion, not just whitening, but anti-aging. So it really works. So I hope all of you can go back and spread the word. It's really good. Thank you very much, and thank you for sharing.